Have you ever wondered what secret AI tools could transform your small business? Today, I'm sharing 5 essential AI tools that can help you boost your productivity and streamline your operations. If you're anything like me, running a business feels like spinning plates while riding a unicycle. Blindfolded. But guess what? I found 5 more AI tools to add to your small business wish list that will make it feel more like, well, like at least riding a Kawasaki Ninja ZX4R. Or, okay, at least one of those really cool electric bikes. Before I reveal to you these 5 absolutely cool AI tools, you need to know something. This goes for everyone. AI can feel a little intimidating. We've all had that moment of staring at a new tool thinking, oh, I'm too old for this. But here's the thing. These tools are designed to make your life easier, not harder. You don't need a PhD in computer science to boost your productivity. Just a little curiosity. And before you know it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. So let's get going on these time-saving, stress-busting tools. I'll post the links to all 5 of these tools in the description below so you can check them out on your own, or if you want, you can follow along. All right, I wanted to start big because this is huge. It's called ADC Creative AI. Now, tell me if this sounds familiar. You've got an ad to make, but suddenly your brain has the creativity power of potato, right? We've all been there. Well, with this tool, it's got your back. Let's go check it out. So here we are, we're on adcreative.ai homepage. All right, cool, right? All right, so you start here and you want to start with create a brand. So we're focusing on tech, so let's go ahead and we're going to, let's say we're going to make ads for Oura Ring, all right? Now watch this, you just put in the URL, okay? It's going to scan it, it's scanning it right now, okay? There we go, import brand. Watch this. Boom. It's going to import the brand, and all the AI is doing its magic. Let's fast forward. Here we go. Okay. Upload a logo to continue. Well, we're going to get there. Okay. Let's pick some colors. Pick that. Save and continue. Okay. With the Aura logo. Confirm logo. Okay, we got the logo. It's going to do all this fancy stuff. All right. So now we move on. Brand setup. Okay. Save and continue. And create brand. Please wait. Okay. We're creating. All right, so now I have all these choices where we can go. It's basically this part right up here where it says generate. All right, so we got all these options. We got add creative, product photos, stock images, add text, add videos, social creatives, and so forth. So let's go ahead and just do the simple one, add creative. We'll do it in portrait. And next step, or you could do this. You can generate text. Scan my website. Look at this. Look how quick this is. Who would want to do this part? Boom. Yeah, this is everything. Save and generate. So now it's going to go back. Want to improve sleep quality? Master your health metrics. Track your health. Call to action icon. What's going on here? Well, let's go to the next step. Upload a background image. Let's see. Let's search images. Search our database. Okay. Smart ring. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Got this guy. Got this one. I like that right there. Oh, I got. I like that. There we go. There's the one. Okay, sort of looks like it. Okay, now project name, Oura Ring, generate. All right, so here's where all the rest of the magic happens. Let's wait. All right, that was only about a minute, and boom, here is our ads. These are the different ads. Want to improve your sleep quality? It's done it for us, and then it gives it a score. This is 100 out of 100, likes this one the best, and then the scores kind of go downhill. So you can kind of, you can select your own if you think anything stands out. But look at all these options within minutes. Okay, we got ourselves an ad for Oura Ring. So I actually like, I don't know which one, but I like this one right here. So let's go ahead and, this is hard. Track your health. Let's just download it. Okay, it's gonna download it. And there it is. Boom. We got our ad. It created it all for us right there at adcreative.ai. And there's a lot of different tools for different options. Like I said, look, you can go here and you can like go to like, let's just say, where was it? Video ads, right? You can play around with that. Okay. Is there a play button? The heck, dude? What? Look at all these videos. All right, it's giving you again a score, the 100s. Let's go with, they're all 100s, but look at all these options you have. Okay, you can put this anywhere you want. Anyway, the options are endless. That's what's cool about adcreative.ai. All right, next up, we've got Merlin AI. Now, if there's one thing that can suck the life out of you faster than scrolling TikTok for just 5 minutes, it's writing emails. But Merlin's like your email butler, always on hand, ready to help. Let's go check it out. So whether it's researching, summarizing, or whipping up content, Merlin here is going to streamline your workflow, okay? It's gonna do the work of an entire AI squad for the cost of one, believe it or not. Just put it all together, okay? I mean, basically, if you're tired of juggling, let's see, Gemini and Claude and Perplexity and ChatGPT, with Merlin here, you get all the top AI models and features packed into one simple Chrome extension, okay? Just pick the AI model you need from the drop-down button right here. There we go. And voila, Merlin's loaded with features. Okay, you got chat with documents, chat with this website, chat bots, generate images, code interpreter. Okay, you get it, right? So you hate replying to emails? Let Merlin AI tackle those, because honestly, email replies are so last year. Need to summarize research fast? Merlin can whip up summary from any web page in no time. With Merlin, promoting your blog on Twitter, on Facebook, or LinkedIn just got way easier. Summarize YouTube videos, grab timestamps, create transcripts, and turn them into posts like a pro. Need visuals? No problem. Merlin can create jaw-dropping images and graphs based on your favorite blog posts and all your articles. How about this? Want to chat with your documents? Upload them and Merlin will summarize, extract key points, and even craft charts. In advanced mode, you can compare PDFs, generate citations, and create image masterpiece with a simple prompt. And check this out. You can even build or chat with bots that are created by other Merlin users. You just switch to the full screen mode and you just dive right in. I mean, there it is. That's Merlin AI in a nutshell. All right, get ready, because the next tool I want to introduce you is Beh Human AI. And let me tell you, it's not just another AI tool. It's like giving your outreach videos a little superhero cape. Basically, this bad boy lets you record one video, and then with a sprinkle of AI magic, you can tweak it based on whatever text input you give it. That means you can swap out the name at the start of the video, or even switch up the product or company name without having to awkwardly record yourself 100 times, which is what I almost do for these videos, but that's behind the scenes. Now, here's the thing. Video outreach, as you probably know, is like the way to land meetings these days. Small business owners love getting those quick, personal selfie-style videos where you say, "Hey, it's me, let's do business." But who has the time with a new video for every single person? By the time you've recorded, re-recorded because you messed up, re-recorded because your dog barked in the background, your entire day is gone. That's where BeHuman.ai comes in to save the day. You can make one solid outreach video and boom, just swap out the names, hit send, and you've got hundreds of personalized videos with just a few clicks.
We have this one here, which is Bobby. Let's listen to it and see how it sounds.
Hi Bobby, I saw your recent purchase with us and I had to reach out and let you know.
Let's take a look at Diane. Just want to do Diane now. Let's listen to Diane.
Hi Diane, I saw your recent purchase with us and I had to reach out and let you know.
And it gets better. You're not just swapping out text. You can clone your voice as well. Yep. No need to hire some random VO artist like they're narrating a crime drama. Your voice will magically adjust to say new names and words like you recorded it, fresh each time. How, you ask? Well, Beh Human AI has this training process where you read a bunch of different texts about half an hour. Yeah, it's a bit of a time commitment, but think about the time you'll save later. And voila, your digital twin is born. But hold on, there's more. This isn't just for your small business hustling. Let's say your client signs up for a newsletter, right? So instead of plain old boring email, why not send them a personalized video saying, "Welcome aboard," like they're your new best friend? Because now, thanks to AI, you can totally do that. Now, full disclosure, in its current state, Beh Human is still a bit quirky. Like the friend who always shows up late, but eventually shows up. Shows up. It might glitch here and there, but the potential is huge. So these companies are racing to improve. Keep your eye on BeHuman.ai because in no time, it'll be the go-to tool for business owners who are on the know. And that's the scoop on Beh Human AI. If you're ready to get into this AI action, go check out their site. Oh, and before I get to AI tool number 4 and 5, if you made it this far, that means you might find some value in this video. So hopefully we've earned your subscription. So go ahead and please hit that subscribe button and go ahead and like it so you can get alerted to the next time I upload an awesome video like this. Please, it helps us grow, and we love growing our community because you guys are great. Now, for those who are big on LinkedIn, which I'm hot and cold on, I like to be more active on LinkedIn and be more interactive with my people that I'm connected with, but I really need to be more engaged with it. Let's talk about Tablio. Tablio AI, which is like your secret weapon for LinkedIn lead generation, and we all love lead generations. Okay, so with Tablio, it's basically your personal assistant that works for free. Well, almost. It automatically engages with people and it sends out a ton of DMs so you can just sit back and pretend that you're busy while it does all the heavy lifting. Let's talk about what you can do. This is really exciting, okay? So you can create lead lists right from the criteria you input because honestly, who has the time to manually sift through profiles? Now, once you've got that list, you can send bulk DMs, which is basically a sales dream come true, right? All right, no more copying, pasting the same message over and over again. So listen, do yourself a favor, add some kind of personal touch, okay, to these messages too. You don't want your message to scream, "Hi, I'm a robot, please ignore me." Okay, now, here's where it gets spicy. You can set up auto DMs, okay? Let's say someone comments on your post, boom, auto DM. Imagine you're running a chiropractor office, okay? You start putting out killer content, helping you guys get more clients. But on your post, you got a slick call to action like comment or more details. And when they do, bam, auto DM. Suddenly, you're generating leads while you're, I don't know, binge watching a show or making a sandwich. Even better, you can have this tool send them a booking page where they can schedule a call directly to your calendar. And the best part, you don't have to lift a finger. It basically is sales on an autopilot. Oh, and don't forget to hook this up to your CRM. And if you're not using one, we need to have a serious chat because come on, it's 2024 or maybe it's 2025 now, 26, 27, I don't know. It's an evergreen video, it should last forever. And finally, there's Notion AI. This is huge. If you've ever looked at your never-ending to-do list like I do and thought, I need a clone. Well, Notion AI is kind of like that, minus the weird science. Notion AI is a tool that is so smart it might just steal your job, but let's hope not. Imagine you're trying to write a blog post to introduce this fancy AI. Well, it's as simple as clicking AI Assist and then hitting Generate Post. Seriously, you can kick back, sip some coffee, watch as the AI basically writes the first draft for you. It's like hiring a ghostwriter who never misses deadlines or even takes a lunch break. Now, if you ever hit a roadblock, writer's block, anyone, Notion AI is your brainstorming buddy. Need to think of creative ways to promote a new feature? No problem. Just ask and it'll come up with ideas that make you look like a marketing genius. Not only does it think big, but it's also great with small stuff like fixing your spelling and your grammar. Let's be real, we all need a little help there sometimes. And oh, need a translation? Just sit back, watch as Notion AI turns your English into whatever language you need. Basically, it's your personal multilingual magician. The best part? Well, we all get stuck from time to time, whether it's writer's block, lack of inspiration, or just a general, what am I doing? In those times, Notion AI's got your back. Just ask for help and boom, it'll get you writing again. A bit bold, sure, but we like bold. Phew, and that's it. 5 more AI tools to add to your toolkit, making your life as a small business owner just a little bit easier. Whether it's automating ads, responding to emails, reaching out to clients, or just trying to keep your sanity intact, these tools have got you covered and they're not difficult. Again, don't be afraid to explore. Go into something that you find interesting. There's tons of links that will help you and guide you and direct you. So give them a spin. See which one works for you and let me know how much time that you feel like you're saving in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and who knows, maybe one day AI will handle all of this while I sit back and sip my root beer from In-N-Out Burger. Hey, one can dream, right? All right, I got 2 videos for you, like as always I promised. This video right here will take you to the other 5 AI tools in case you haven't seen them yet. In the video down below, guess what? The magical YouTube algorithm has chosen a video that's specifically designed for you. Until next time, we'll see you. Bye-bye.